The last few days, I've been talking about our new product that we've got, our new tool that we're as part of one of our products called Emerson, which is a AI tool that helps you create content and do some research. And so today, I just wanted to give you a little show of what, again, of what how to use it or what I've used it for. Just in any case, there's millions of ways to use it to create content, to get hashtags, to get on and on and on. But I just thought today I put in, my fence is falling down. So I put in what materials to use to replace a picket fence and what are the costs per linear foot. And it lists the chain link fence, a wrought iron fence, a vinyl fence, an aluminum fence, wood panels, and bamboo. And it gives me the cost per foot for each of those. So you can see them here. And I just wanted to point them out to you. And so that's what I've got for today. And remember, go to on my site, go to williamfeaver.com, go to the top thing, and you can click on it to get a free trial for Emerson and our premium and funnel building tool for free until the 20th of this month. You can take a test drive with it. So please do. Thank you and have a great day.